Hello, Lees-McRae community. As we settle into 2026, I'm excited to announce a revolutionary student success initiative here at the college that comes directly from our strategic plan. Our faculty and staff have been working hard to develop a new program to help students reach their full potential academically, professionally, and personally. Lees-McRae is the premier institution for hands-on learning in the mountains of North Carolina. The Peak experience builds on what already sets us apart. An emphasis on hands-on learning that lets students put their classroom instruction into practice, a strong support community that helps students thrive from freshman year to graduation, and an environment that encourages students to get involved in opportunities to further develop valuable skills. Peak is a campus-wide commitment to provide a fulfilling and challenging student experience for every Bobcat. It is centered on 4 main principles.
The P in Peak stands for preparation. We help students get ready for the challenges of college and beyond by equipping them with goal-setting strategies, resilience skills, and stress management techniques.
E is for engagement. We connect students to hands-on experiences like internships, research, and mentoring that bring learning to life and build skills through real-world applications.
A is for aspiration. We guide students to clarify meaningful goals and envision futures worth working toward. Students turn ambition into action with support from peers, advisors, and mentors.
K is for knowledge. Students cultivate expertise through academic coursework, experiential learning, and other opportunities that deepen understanding and extend learning beyond the traditional classroom setting.
Peak is our framework for providing students with a holistic education that prepares them to excel during college and after graduation. It is our commitment to students that their Bobcat journey will be supportive, challenging, and successful. As part of our continued emphasis on experiential learning, students will dig even deeper into practical applications of our distinctive programs. Starting with the fall 2026 incoming class, all students will take at least one summer intensive course, which will cover topics of profound interest and relevance to their future. Moving forward, each graduate can point to at least 5 courses on their transcript that are specifically designated as experiential learning classes. We will share more information in the coming months about upcoming programming that exemplifies the Peak model across all areas of the college. Our goal is to provide each student with an elevated experiential education that they cannot get anywhere else. I'm excited for the thrilling new opportunities that will be available through the Peak experience. As I always say, it's an exciting time to be a Bobcat.